So today I will show you how to install Steam Workshop or other like Stellaris Workshop, for example, mods through other means, so not directly through Steam Workshop. uh, it will be valid for Windows and Linux, so it could run on Windows or Linux. So this instruction will be in Linux, but it will be applied the same to Windows. There's no much difference. So first thing first, you go to the github.com. The link will be in description or the comments. So you go to the releases right here, just click it, make sure it has the latest tag in it. Now you choose the installer, so you could choose the MSI if you are Windows, or you could choose AppImage for Linux, only any Linux distribution. So because this is in Linux, so we'll download the AppImage. The instruction will be the same for Windows MSI. You just need to run the installer and run the app. For Linux, it has a little bit of complexity in it. So wait for it to finish. So open the file, and now we need to mark this AppImage as executable. So there are two ways to do that. So first, you can go to terminal and then change to the download directory of the AppImage. So for example, it will be testing folder, and then you could just type in chmod +x and then the file name. So let me just copy the file name and then paste it here and then press enter. Now this will be marked as executable, or you could go through the file GUI like right here and then press properties in the permissions, and this will be allow this file to run as program. You need to mark this or check this. If you already do that through terminal, this will be already checked, so there's no need to do it twice, but you could do that in GUI too. So if you already do that, just run the app, and now if you want to see the supported games list, you just go through here, enter your game's name. For example, I want to download a Stellaris mods, so let me just type in Stellaris right here. It has Stellaris. Now let's try to download some Stellaris mods. So for example, 36 building slots. Let's just copy the URL, paste it here, and now you press download. It will take a while for first run, because it will update and download SteamCMD first. This app could also automatically install Stellaris mods for you, so you don't need to go to Paradox Launcher and move the mods manually. The app will automatically do that for you. So you just need to go to Paradox Launcher, and the Paradox Launcher will automatically detect this mod, and you just need to enable the mod. So let's just wait for it to finish. As you could see here, the download process has been finished, so we just need to open the file, and you could see here the mod 36 building slots for Stellaris mod will be automatically installed on my Stellaris directory, so you don't need to manually move them again. So what happens if you want to download multiple workshop, for example? You just go to the multiple download tab and then just do it again. So for example, if we want to download something Stellaris Workshop, just paste them here, and then you could go to other one and then paste them here. This will download multiple workshop mods, so you don't have to do it one by one. Just install them again, and now it's done. And if you press open, as you can see, the mod also got automatically installed if you are on Solaris mods. So that's how you install Steam Workshop mods from Linux or Windows. So thank you.